Previously on Baby Bunnies.
Day 3. Today is I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run.
For you, that's all that I do.
So Oscar, how did you start working for Adrian?
I did the camp 3 years ago, and then
He really like you?
yeah, I guess. And then like I just came one more time. I came because I messed up my meetings with my managers.
How?
I wasn't prepared. That was my fault, you know, the callbacks that I got 3 callbacks, and then I came back again, and I did all my callbacks. I got callbacks,
Right.
and then I ended up signing with an agent, and then
But that's where the work really begins.
yeah, I signed up with an agent, and then
Thank you.
Then Adrian was just like, oh, you want to come back, you know, just do it for fun, because I don't live too far from here. So I was like, oh, sure, I come back, you know.
You got a real life.
I came back from it.
I would love to do that all day. Yeah. I'm waiting for her to make my sandwich. In the meantime, and on my way back, I'm about to. How can I release stress? Because you know I create my own stress. I just be going off of it, like upset. And I promise she better not have. Why the fuck would she put onions on my sandwich? I'm gonna fucking snap. No. The fuck I look like Shrek? I don't eat onions. That's your man. Buildings. I'm in building Z. So beautiful. It really is.
For you, breathing for you, breathing for you, breathing for you, all that I do.
keep it one direction. Don't go forward, okay? Keep it one direction, and then at the very end, like go, spare this tree, spare this tree. Just drop your head to it and go, I was awful. You see that? That's what I'm doing. I was awful. Instead of, I was awful. It's a joke, and you'll get a laugh from it. Okay.
Day 3.
Breathing for you.
That's a good point though, because I see where you're going with that, and that's cool. And I've been in households like that because I've had mothers that would jack you up and throw you out the house, but this is not. I don't think this is would
Right.
serve. I don't think it would serve this character.
Yeah. You guys want to take those and apply it out there in the lobby, or even if you want to just sit somewhere and just think about it, that's cool too. Don't feel like you have to go right back into it. But just think about those things. Raise the stakes. I just my biggest thing, overall thought for both of you is raise the stakes. Raise the stakes.
Would you want to see her a little more conversational as opposed to breaking it up as much as she's breaking up her lines? I mean, she's
In the beginning,
Yeah.
more so, yeah.
she's just breaking it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it all together.
Yeah,
flow
tighten
like
it up a little,
yeah.
flow it a little bit better.
Yeah.
Because
Especially in the beginning, because the
Yeah.
beginning, this is you did not expect this. It was, hey, I need that money, by the way. It's casual,
yeah.
Things to think about.